Another question, am I an insurable person? Why these questions? Because many of us, as we talked earlier, you have coverage, as someone like to call it, fully coverage in your country. And that's interesting because maybe you have a condition right now, maybe you have age that maybe you don't feel sure if you won't have coverage in the country, or maybe you hear people talk about issues in the health insurance in the country. We need to know something. The simple answer, am I an insurable person, is yes. You can feel free, you can feel comfortable with that, but not at the same level. Why? Because, you know, health insurance is a community of people conformed by healthy young people, adults with working hard, and with others with extremely or frequent needs of attention in relative to health, right? And because of that risk, because of the age, because of the time you are hiring, the coverage will be different. You can receive more or less. Maybe you won't get the best coverage that the country have, but maybe because of your age, your conditions, you couldn't access to that. But still, you will have coverage. And that's why we make a little explanation of that. So the longer you spend out the insurance coverage, the less possibilities you have to get higher coverage, right? And we're going to talk about some exceptions and exclusion that explain a little more the why of that question. For example, every company in the country have exceptions or requirements that every affiliate have to fill in order to get the insurance. And even the health insurance company have to offer something attractive that you don't only feel that you are spending your money and not getting results. And that's why Humano has requirements too, but this is a good time that we are, because years ago maybe we can only say we have those exclusions and that's it. We don't have to talk about it, about the topic. But those exclusions, limited age to getting in 65, and any pre-existing conditions, that's right, that's the requirement the insurance company has. But any case is evaluated particularly. That means maybe you have 66, maybe you have 67, or maybe you have any health condition, maybe not that bad, but you have it. So the company wants to know a little bit more about you in order to know if they can use that exclusions, and that's it, or it can be flexible and maybe give you the insurance with an extra payment, or given the other coverage you can access to. Don't get me wrong, that does mean every insurance company you will go, including Humana, you can go and no matter what happens, you will have the insurance. No, maybe you can find out this enough for you, but because they evaluate your particular case. But in other instances, and I have several examples of that, get other people that have more than 75, and because of his good health and habits and all the kind of stuff, they have access to the insurance they want. Or other coverage, but they have the insurance.